ago. It came in a leather band. I got it when before my wife and I were married on vacation. But the bezel keeps breaking. You see how it clicks? And then it got stuck, and then it would just be free going. Right, because it only goes in one direction. So I guess that spring can be moved. You made it? I made it. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. And my buddy told me the other one. You should start a line. No website? I started the project as soon as I started in 1998. I got 3 of them up and running. I got 3 quarts up and running. What would the retail be? No, that's the hard part. I'm just making them. That's why I'm trying to get other people. But I've had some unbelievable suggestions. Yeah. Well, it's handmade. You know, in other words, if you went to buy a handmade watch, they buy a movement, they buy a case, they assemble it. That's a handmade watch. But this, I actually saw it. Did everything. They made the hands. They made the hands. That's amazing. And plus, on this thing here, so the movement itself is 18 karat gold. The other watches, the brass, that's silver plated. Right. That's solid 18 karat gold. Well, you know, I went back like to the 1600s for my inspiration. I just bypassed the whole revolution. No numbers. I don't even have a design, but I do no plans. I just do stuff. So each one is one of a kind. They can't be the same. They can't be the same. Because it's not manufactured. That's it. All right, I think we're close. All right.
I know the guy was honest to God into watches. I thought, well, no, I thought he was an actor.
No,
he's actually
no, he made that watch.
Yeah,
okay. By hand. So that's what
like, what are you doing? Building a watch? I was like making a joke, and he's like, it's like, oh wait, he actually makes watches.
Yes, he makes. That's his passion. That's his living. That's his love.
That's cool.
Reset time 1. Stand by.
You know what, Joe? As soon as he lifts his leg and he starts walking, that's what you anticipate to do the move? That's okay. You guys go online, you can't see.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
All right, roll camera. Wait, you there? Third position.
You're rolling.
Okay.
And roll camera.
Number 1, right? Okay, good.
You there rolling?
We're rolling. Okay. And action, John.
And cut.
Let's do one more time. You guys might have to just shift this way.
Resetting one more time for David.
And action. Cut.
Cut.
One more time.
I think we got it. Unless you guys need another request.
Walking.
Is that me? Are you sure?
No, it's not you.
No, it was Kenny. Can you see me? No.
As long as everybody stands still, we're good.
I did.
Right. Stand by.
Stand by. Unit B, tape change.
Wait a minute, guys. Everybody over here, wait a minute.
John,
No,
tape change.
somebody was walking.
You got a tape change.
Deck over there?
Yeah.
I'm getting it now.
Yeah.
We're good with that. Everybody stand still. Got it.
Stay by first position.
All right, everybody's acting perfect.
Give us a little light, right?
Open up a little. Yeah. All right, stand by. Roll tape.
Every height.
Okay, ready to roll. Oh, wait, time out.
Stand by. And roll unit A.
Keep it rolling.
And B.
Perfect.
And cut.
Yeah. Everybody's got to remind me to stop it. It's serious.
Today, set up.
Cake's cheap. Film's expensive.
Couldn't ask for a better performance. Did you check that? We can check tape. Absolutely. I would like to. We check the last one.
Today, we got to back on the last 2 days.
Let's get this shot now. Come this way, John.